Monty, you going back in the water? Let me throw it for you. Get it? Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Good, bring it. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Yes, good boy, good boy, good boy. You're trying to nurse on her, aren't you? She said no. That's what she said. That's what her mouth said to you. I know, I love it too.
That's how it's done, baby.
Your toenails look really good, baby Judge. I mean, baby Cougar, because you were such a good boy when I did your toenails. Are you going to be a good boy when I do yours when we go back in? Are you? I'm going to do your toenails before bed. Because it's Wednesday. Secondary toenail day. Secondary toenail day. Honey, get you. Little water bug. Little water bug. Why are you itchy, baby? What's itchy on your foot? Are you trying to clean the water off yourself? I have towels. Two? Where's your two? Yes, 2 feet up. Yes, 2 feet up. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Yes. Look at you with your sit. Look at you coming to me with the perfect sit. You babies are little angels, aren't you? Every single one of you. Judge. You my sweetheart. Are you one of my sweethearts? Look at that. Look at that baby fat. Look at that baby fat. You gonna give me honeys? You gonna give Judge honeys? That's Cougar. This is Judge. Oh, look, we can see one of his little gnats. Did you see that? Here, here. Get you. Scratch you. Make you tickle. Where's your two? Baby Judge. Baby Judge. Where's your two? Yes, 2 feet up. Yes, good boy, good boy, good boy.